Hey. Hola. Hi. Hello. Hey. Hey Scouts, and welcome to my crib. Okay, bye. Alright, so hey Scouts, welcome back to my channel. So, today, by the title, we are doing a very requested video. We are doing my room tour today. Yeah, you guys have been asking for a really long time to see my room tour, and I've been holding it back because I've been doing some final touches, but it's mostly done now, kind of. Mostly. Keyword is mostly. So, I'm just going to stop talking, show you guys my entire room, the setup where I film, sleep, eat, be sad. Pretty much it. I do everything here, so let's jump into the video and let's see the room tour. Okay. Why do I keep doing this with my hands? I need to stop. So when you first walk into my room, I have this circle mirror. This is actually from Marshall's, and it's just a circle mirror on a chain, which I love. And it just fits this wall perfectly. So this is one of my favorite things about my room is this, because it looks so nice walking in, and mirrors make your room look bigger. So I have a lot of mirrors in my room, but I love the circle one because you don't really see them that often. So we have this here, and then behind my door, when I close the door here, I actually have all my records on my wall. So this one is still currently being filled. I still have a lot of space, but this is what it looks like for now, and I like the way it's coming together. Records are very expensive, and so are holders, so this is definitely a process, and I will be filling this entire wall up, but this is what I have for now. So that's what this wall looks like here. So this is what my room looks like as soon as you walk in, and we have my bed and a mirror. Hey, how's it going? So we're gonna start off here with my bed. So my bed is originally from IKEA, but my parents actually got it off of Facebook Marketplace for me. It was like 40 bucks. So if you're looking for any furniture, go on Facebook Marketplace because it's so much cheaper. I think this bed actually goes for like over $200 on IKEA. I'll link all the original links in the down bar below. But yeah, it was super cheap off of Facebook Marketplace, and it ended up working so good. So I got the queen size, and what I actually got my dad to do is he actually cut the legs on the bed shorter because I wanted kind of like a low style bed. So he cut the actual frame poles and then made it short. So this is what it looks like now, and I just have a plain white duvet cover on my bed. Just simple, clean, very white, bright. It makes my room look very bright, which is what I wanted. So it looks happy and, you know, vibey in here. So we just have a plain white duvet cover, and on top of that I have my throw blankets, which is what I actually sleep with. This gray one is a Kate Spade one. I don't think I got it actually from Kate Spade. I don't think I've ever seen blankets from Kate Spade, but that's the brand. And the white one is from Costco. So I just have those on there. It looks cozy, and I actually use those. I don't really sleep inside my actual duvet, so that's why it's there. Next to my bed, I have my mirror. This actually is from Marshall's. Hey, I'm in my Crocs. What's going on? Hey, but yeah, this is actually from Marshall's, and it's a dupe for the one from IKEA. I only paid like $70 for this, so it was super inexpensive. So if you're looking for a mirror that looks like the one from IKEA for cheaper, go to Marshall's, TJX, Winners, whatever you have, one of those places, and I'm sure they'll have one. But it's just a giant, large mirror, which I love because this is where I take all my pictures, look at my outfits, and I use this for filming all the time, my haul videos. So it comes in handy, and I love it. And to the left of that is just my closet. It's just a plain closet. I'm not going to go into depth of it. My closet's really dirty right now, so we're not going to open it. I usually just hang my purse on there, but that's my closet. And on top of my bed here, so on my bed frame, I just wrapped some Christmas lights around it because, you know, aesthetic vibes, vibey. I don't know. But yeah, I like the way it looks on top of my bed, so that's what it looks like. And it's nice, so I don't have to have the main light on when it's nighttime. So on top of my bed, I might be out of breath soon because I'm talking a lot. But on top of my bed here, I have these pictures. So the 3 on each side that are surrounding my bed, like over here into here. Those are actually from Jisk, and I just inserted pictures that I printed off online on Google, and I just put them in there. So those are pictures I just found online, and I put them in picture frames on both sides. And I got this big one from Marshall's, and it just says, "You can change the world." I like inspirational quotes and all that, so it very much fits my vibe of my room and all that. So I like the way that this looks. It's actually one of my favorite parts of my room, and I like that it's the main focus, because I don't know if that's even, but it's even enough. So yeah, that's what we're gonna go with. And then directly in front of my bed, I just had my TV on a bookshelf. This bookshelf was actually from IKEA, and I just keep my nice shoes and books on this shelf just so they don't get dirty and all that. Don't worry, I wipe my shoes underneath before I put them on my shelf because that's nasty. But yeah, it fits my 55-inch TV perfectly, so I really love this shelf, and it's my favorite, and it looks good. I like displaying my shoes and my books, so this was perfect for my room. Alright, and then next to my TV, I have this clothing rack. Usually, I don't have these clothes on my rack. I used to use this for my haul videos and stuff, but my closet has become overflowed. So, I keep some of my hoodies, my nicer hoodies, on this rack because it's winter, and I color code it. So, I have obviously a little bit of OCD, and it's very organized. So, yeah, I just put my hoodies on here that I have because I have a lot. I even have more in my closet, but these are the majority of them. So I just keep them on this rack because it takes up a lot of space, and this way it's like organized. It's not the ideal place, but I have no space, like I said, so this is where it is staying for now. And then just beside it on my TV stand, I have just my jewelry rack with my necklaces. Nothing special, just behind there. It's hidden, so I don't have to see it, but that's what the front of my room looks like in front of my bed. There's nothing on this wall. It's pretty boring, so nothing fancy. And then beside my bed, I have my vanity desk here, and originally these are from IKEA, but again, I got them off of Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is my best friend, and I literally live off that website. But yeah, that's what these are from. These are originally the Acrylic Drawers from IKEA and the Linnmon Tabletop. It detaches and all that, but I love it. It's huge and it fits this wall perfectly, so I wanted something to really fill it in, which it did. So it worked out great. And so this is what it looks like. I'm just going to show you guys everything. So walking through here, on top of the vanity, I have these hung up. This bee is actually from Michael's. It lights up, but I never really light it up. And next to it here is a 50,000 plaque that my dad actually got made for me. And it lights up, which is so cool. And we actually just hit 50,000, which is amazing. So I just want to thank you guys. But yeah, my dad actually got this made for me, and it says my name and everything with 50,000, and it lights up. It's super pretty and I love it. It's one of my favorite things in my room. And next to that, I just have this LED love sign, but that's what it looks like on top. And then on top of my actual vanity, I have this huge mirror. Hey, what's going on? My mirror is actually from Marshall's. Again, I always shop there, so they have really good stuff, but that's where this giant mirror is from. And then just beside it, I have these acrylic drawers. These are actually from Amazon, and they're just filled with some of my nail stuff because I do my own acrylic nails. So I just have all my acrylic stuff on top of my desk in these drawers, organized, and just a mini mirror with my glasses. And next to that, I just have my makeup brushes. I'm not going to go into detail of my vanity and all that, but if you guys want a video, let me know, and I will do that for you next time, just because there's a lot. But we have 2 sets of drawers here and just a chair under here with my garbage can. Cool. And then beside here we just have my candle because we like the room to smell good, right? Right. And next to here I just have my phone stand, which I do like TikToks, or it's just good to have a phone stand, honestly, so I have that there. I have my Alexa. No, Alexa, stop. And I have also a galaxy light, which I will show you guys in a second, as well as this photo of me and Brittany. So that's pretty much all I have here. And then we have, hey, my outside window. Cool. But yeah, that's pretty much what it looks like. I do have a galaxy light, so I'm going to show you guys what my room looks like when the lights are off and I have my lights on. I also have lights on my TV, so I will show you guys what it looks like in the dark when my lights are all off and it's not so bright. Okay, so this is actually what my room looks like at night. It's looking a little more blue on camera, but it's more purple. But this is what the galaxy lights look like, and I literally love the way it makes my room look. It's just so relaxing, and I'm obsessed with this galaxy light. So if you're looking for one, go get one off Amazon. Again, everything will be in the down bar, but this is what it looks like. It's very comfy and I love it. So this is what it looks like here. And then, like I said, on my TV, I do have the LED lights that plug in. So there's like a little illuminating thing on my TV when I'm watching. So this is what my room looks like, and it's super fun and cool, and I'm obsessed with it. So that is my room tour. That's pretty much it. Again, if you guys want anything, the links that I can find will be in the down bar. But yeah, that's pretty much my room tour. It's nothing special. It's just my room. It's where I chill and everything. So yeah, but I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you like me, subscribe down below. I can't even think right now. It is so late at night. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. I love you guys. Thank you again for 50,000. And yeah, I love you guys. Don't forget to love yourself. Until next time, I will see y'all later. Peace out, scouts. Bye.